Thanks for recommending this. Alright, let's go. Type snappa.com. And with Snappa, you can make YouTube thumbnails, YouTube end screens, and Zoom virtual backgrounds, and stuff like that. So leave a comment if you want me to do any tutorials on those kind of stuff. These are just some pre-made templates. You could use them and modify them or start from scratch. I'd recommend you use one of them. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is change the background, unless of course you're a fitness channel. Go to background and search for an image. I'd recommend gaming if you're a gaming channel. Alright, so now I want the LED lights and the controllers to show. So you're gonna click reposition and play around with it until you get what you want. Okay, now to change the text, you just click the text that was there before and this menu will pop up. I'm not gonna make this perfect, so that way the video isn't too long. Okay, let's pick a title. Pro Gamer. Alright, let's see. Okay, now to change the font, you just go to fonts and scroll through. There are a bunch of them. I think this one is really cool. Okay, now we want to make the text bigger. Okay, now to add an image, go to graphics, then click upload. You can upload an image straight from your computer, Google Drive, Recents, or whatever. Okay, all these are from my tablet. I'll show you how to do it in a bit. Click save and download and you're basically done. But I, however, have used all my downloads for the month, so I can't download again until next month because I have the free version. So these are the plans. If you have the premium version, you could get unlimited downloads, but like the free version is perfectly fine because once you've made a channel banner 3 times, I think that's enough. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment saying what you want me to try out next. Alright, bye guys.